everybody, it's Dr. E. Now I'm always asked, or frequently anyway, what do you eat in a day? Because some people think I don't eat anything, but that's not true. I'm going to walk you through a little bit of what I eat in a day, and of course it varies throughout the day, but I'm going to talk a little bit about how I get my fruits and vegetables in and how I get my protein in as well. So I may start off the day, for example, with this chia seed with oat milk, and I add some nuts into that, some blueberries into that, and real well-rounded breakfast. Omega-3s out the yin-yang with this one. We've got lots of fiber in there. We've got some protein as well. That's a great way to start your day, of course, with some tea and lemon. And then throughout the day, I may have a smoothie, and the smoothie is really quite easy. You don't have to be complicated, y'all. Once you start thinking, how do I get my fruits and vegetables? I get them in a smoothie. So, for example, a smoothie for me may consist of strawberries or blackberries. I love either of the berries, and spinach. And then if I'm gonna put really good fats, then I use avocado. Avocado I may also use with my salad as well. And then I may use, at this point, I would use some milk in that. So the milk of your choice. I tend to use oat milk or almond milk or some other kind of milk like that. Now, how do I get my protein? That's the question, right? So I get my protein from lean fish, for example, like cod. I love cod. I get my protein from eggs. And yes, I do a lot of plant-based proteins as well. This is lentils. So lentils are so easy to cook. Did you know they're pretty much a complete protein? They're one of the few things that are complete protein. And in my smoothie, I may not have mentioned this, but I also may put some hemp seeds in my smoothie as well. And that's also a complete protein. And in the morning, if I'm really in a rush, I may grab a whole grain toast or rice cracker and top it off with some almond butter. And that is kind of a summary of what I would eat in a day, except sometimes multiply it by 2. Until then, this is Dr. E.